Hi guys, so today we are going to be making cute cupcakes. These ones are especially for Mother's Day. So these are the latest trending, the floral zigzag, whatever you call it, the pattern. I'm going to show you guys how we make it, and yeah, let's get started. Let's do it together. For this I'm going to be using 3 colors, and I'm going to be putting the white in this piping tip. The pink color in this piping tip, and purple color with this piping tip. Now we have 3 colors: white, pink and purple. Let's start decorating. Okay, so first we're going to take this cupcake. On this one, gonna take this cupcake. We're just going, this is the star tip. Just going to go simple rose. For the next one, we will do two, 3, and we take the purple one, and we go round. For the next one, we can do chocolate one. You can go another one. You can do just go 1, 2, 3. Next one. I think we can do
Beautiful. Oh my god.
take some.
Spectacular. That's so elegant.
Yes, so this is our precious Mother's Day set. It looks so amazing. I love it. Yeah, you can make this for your mom, so you can order it from us. If you're in Toronto, we can make things for you. Beautiful.